TGTET and CTET aspirants, I know you also get confused between types of assessment. Don't worry, I'm here to clear this confusion one and for all in today's video. First of all, what is it? It is the systematic process of gathering information about a student's learning skills and progress to improve teaching and learning process. The main thing here is to help the students get better in their learning. Mainly it is useful for the teachers, but somewhat it is useful for the students as well. And it also involves understanding a student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning levels using different tools. This is only called as assessment. The main thing you remember this only. So here what happens, we will test how the student is doing so far and so well. Okay, now first of all, in this we will learn about the different types of assessment that are mainly asked in your CTET. First is diagnostic assessment. This assessment happens before teaching learning process. It happens in the classroom before the learning. Okay, now before a teacher wants to start a new topic or a new unit, what she will do, what he or she will do, they will try to ask the students if they know about these certain things, and if they will ask different kinds of questions related to that subject, so that the students can say whatever they remember. Here, that pre-test, self-assessment, and interviews, these kind of tools are involved. Before getting admission in school as well, sometimes interviews are taken for the students. That is also to test the skills of the students and how far they are in the knowledge, and if can they adapt to the classroom teaching, like that. This is useful for the teaching process. Next comes formative assessment. This is the main type of assessment that is asked in your CTET. This assessment happens during the teaching learning process in the classroom when the lesson is going on. At that time, it is taken. Usually happen after completion of each unit, like unit test. But after each lesson and each class also, it can happen. What is the use of formative assessment? Is that it provides feedback and it also monitor the progress of the students. It is also used to alter the teaching process in the meantime for better understanding of the students. Means that, for example, in today's class you taught something but the student were not able to understand it, then tomorrow you can get new various different ways on which the student can understand easily. Here the tools like slip test, unit test, quizzes, discussions, all these are used. Next comes summative assessment. It usually happens after the teaching learning process. Here the lesson is already completed or the unit is already completed. At that time, it is mainly used to check if the students have completed all the academic standards that are there in the specific class by the end of the academic year. So mainly that is useful at the end of the academic year, like your final test or half yearly as well. That is mainly used. Here the progress of the student according to the class happened or not, and what kind of things they missed, that all will be understood by the teachers. Tools like final exams, conduction, or portfolios or rubrics, all these things are involved in the summative assessment. This is mainly important for diagnostic assessment before teaching learning, formative during teaching learning, and summative happens after teaching learning process. The main thing that you have to remember. Comment down below if you want next video on which topic you want, you can mention it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you liked this video.